Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. This is the summary of Zoom Online Social Studies class. This is your Social Studies teacher. Okay, students, today we are going to discuss our chapter number 2, that is climatic regions of the Muslim world, जो कि हमने पिछले हफ्ते जो था अपना स्टार्ट किया था. बट बिफोर गोइंग टू आवर चैप्टर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल डिस्कस जून टास्क विद यू पीपल, दैट हाउ यू विल अटेम्प्ट योर जून टास्क इन योर नोटबुक. Okay, students, work from home project, it is your second assignment of June 2020 to 22. You can prepare your page like this. Okay, then on next page you will give the heading of chapter number 2, as this June task is from your chapter number 2. और chapter number 2 हमारे पास कौन सा है? Climatic regions of the Muslim world. सिमिलरली आपने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की हेडिंग दी, देन यू विल मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज. ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, नेम द डेजर्ट्स ऑफ द मुस्लिम वर्ल्ड. नेम द डेजर्ट्स ऑफ द मुस्लिम वर्ल्ड. आफ्टर राइटिंग द क्वेश्चन you will give the heading of answer, and then you will write starting line that following are the deserts of the Muslim world. Then you will write your answer in numbering, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and then number 6. There are 6 deserts of the Muslim world. ठीक है. Then after completion of answer, you will draw full ending line. Then on next page you will write question number 2, that is which part of Pakistan are semi-desert. Here again, after writing the question, you will give the heading of answer, and then you will write answer. Which part of Pakistan are semi-desert? The western part of Pakistan are semi-desert. Then you will draw full ending line. Margin line जो होगी, it should be double and of 1 finger gap. Then your question number 3. Your question number 3 is, which animals are found in tropical grasslands of Africa? After writing question, you will give the heading of answer, and then your starting line that following animals are found in tropical grassland of Africa. Then again you will write your answer in numbering. ठीक है, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. After a completion of answer, you will draw full ending line. ठीक है, ये जो था आपका सोशल स्टडीज़ का जून टास्क. देन इसके बाद जो है योर जियो टास्क. अब आपने क्या करना है बच्चे, जियो का जो टास्क है उसको आपने कटिंग करके अपनी कॉपी में जो है तो आप पेस्ट कर दोगे. क्लियर. जून आपका जो जियो का जो टास्क है, दैट इज़ चूज़ द करेक्ट आंसर, चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन और आंसर. द नंबर 1 इज़ द मेजर रिलीजन ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज़ बुद्धिज़्म, हिंदुइज़्म और क्रिश्चियनिटी. दैट इज़ क्रिश्चियनिटी. Then number 2, the continent dash is also known as Oceania. It's Australia. Number 3, the country Australia is the dash largest country in the world, 6th largest country in the world. A quarter of the world's dash is produced in Australia. It's wool. Then number 5, dash is the popular game in Australia. In Australia, cricket is a popular game. Then Grand Opera House is in Sydney. Number 7, dash is the national symbol of Australia. Kangaroo. Kangaroo is the national symbol of Australia. Then number 8 is Grand Opera House was officially opened by Queen Elizabeth II. There are 5 dash in Grand Opera House. There are 5 performing halls in Grand Opera House. Then number 10 is Australian dash are very colorful and famous all over the world. It's birds. Clear? So this was all about your June task. Now come to your today's topic. This is our geography section, chapter number 2, climatic regions of the Muslim world. And in this we have discussed already that what are climatic regions. Climatic regions refers to a continuous area in which similar climate characteristics are observed. You can see the world map, and in this map you can see Muslim countries, then area. As we know that Muslim countries are spread all over the world. The area covered by the Muslim world is from 16,000 from east to west and 5,000 from north to south. So this vast area has different climatic conditions. Muslim countries are divided into 8 regions according to their climatic conditions. अब प्रीवियस क्लास में हम जो है नंबर 1 डेजर्ट जो है वो हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस सेमी डेजर्ट एंड स्क्रबलैंड, ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड, ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट, टेम्परेट डेजर्ट्स. ठीक है, दीज 1, 2, 3 and 4 टॉपिक्स वी विल डिस्कस इन टुडेज lecture. Okay, number 1 is semi-desert and scrubland. Semi-desert means an arid area that has some of the characteristics of a desert but has greater annual precipitation. The word precipitation means rainfall. Clear? Okay, in semi-desert and scrubland, in this topic we will discuss temperature, rainfall, vegetation and occupation. Temperature जो है it is hot during the day and cold at night. Then rainfall is scarce means insufficient, means के बहुत कम बारिश होती है. insufficient for crops means के here we cannot grow crops. Then vegetation, coarse, tough plants and shrubs. The word coarse means rough or harsh plants. Okay, long roots deep down below the surface of the earth. Then occupation, what is the occupation of the semi-desert? The people of the semi-desert, mostly people rear goats and sheep. And semi-desert and scrubland area जो है it is found in the western part of Pakistan. Clear? इसके बाद हमारे पास आ जाता है our next topic is tropical grasslands. Tropical grasslands or savanna. Clear? The location of tropical grasslands are between deserts and tropical forest. Rainfall is between 500 to 1500 millimeter. Vegetation is scattered trees and tall grasses. Animals which are found in tropical grasslands are game animals in Africa. अब game animals में हमारे पास कौन कौन से आ जाते हैं? We have lion, giraffe, zebra, elephants, etc. Then safaris are tourist attraction. What is safari? Safari is an overland journey to hunt or observe wild animals. Mostly you can see in continent Africa. So then we have another topic we have, that is tropical forest. Tropical forest, the location of tropical forest is Central Africa along the equator, Southeast Asia. This is the location of tropical forest. Tropical forests are found in Central Africa. ठीक है, this is Central Africa, this green color, this is the location of tropical forest, Central Africa along the equator. ठीक है, and then we have Southeast Asia means these countries, Indonesia and Malaysia. ये जो आते हैं ये हमारे पास tropical forest में आते हैं. अच्छा जी, here the temperature is 20 degree to 30 degree centigrade. Rainfall is heavy. ठीक है, means they receives heavy rainfall between 1800 to 2500 millimeter. अच्छा जी, animals which are found here are birds and monkeys. Birds and monkeys we can find here on canopy. Canopy किसे कहते हैं? Canopy means top of trees. ठीक है, and on the land on the bottom we can find snakes, lizards and insects. Then forest products, कौन से forest products है? We have teak and hardwood. The word teak means a hard durable timber which is used in shipbuilding or making of furniture. इसके अलावा रबड़ भी जो है यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस होती है. Okay, other crops like sugar cane, coca, mangoes, pineapples and other tropical fruits are produced in these Amazon rainforest. In these tropical forest. Okay जी, effect on human life, they are healthy because they provide oxygen. Clear? But इसके अलावा they are source of different types of diseases like malaria. ठीक है, which is common here and life threatening. Vegetation में हमारे पास आ जाता है thick forest of tall trees with giant creepers. Okay, And here is the example of Amazon रेन फॉरेस्ट. ऑल्दो Amazon रेन फॉरेस्ट जो है वो मुस्लिम वर्ल्ड में इंक्लूड नहीं है, बट Amazon रेन फॉरेस्ट जो है इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट रेन फॉरेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट. वाई दीज फॉरेस्ट? बिकॉज दीज फॉरेस्ट आर क्लोज टू द इक्वेटर एंड ट्रॉपिक्स. ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट भी इसको बोलते हैं, इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट भी इसको बोलते हैं, एंड दे रिसीव सनशाइन एंड रेन. Then we have another topic, that is temperate desert. The word temperate deserts means a dry, often sandy region of little rainfall, extreme temperature and sparse vegetation. This is called temperate desert. Okay जी, location of temperate desert is Afghanistan, सेंट्रल एशियन स्टेट्स. अब सेंट्रल एशियन स्टेट्स में कौन कौन सी हैं? वी हैव उज़्बेकिस्तान, अज़रबैजान, तुर्कमानिस्तान एंड ताजिकिस्तान. ठीक है, ये स्टेट्स जो हैं वो टेम्परेट डेजर्ट्स में आती हैं. देन वी हैव पाकिस्तान. पाकिस्तान का भी जो क्लाइमेट है उसको भी वो टेम्परेट डेजर्ट में आता है. उसमें हमारे पास जो रेनफॉल आ जाती है, रेनफॉल इज़ अबाउट 50 to 300 मिलीमीटर. हेयर द टेम्परेचर इज़ नॉट हॉट एज द डेजर्ट. ठीक है, मीन्स टेम्परेट. द वर्ड टेम्परेट मीन्स नॉट टू हॉट और कोल्ड, मीन्स जो दरमियाना होता है, एवरेज होता है. सो टेम्परेचर यहाँ का क्या है? ऑल्दो के हॉट है बट नॉट एज हॉट एज द डेजर्ट. देन वेजिटेशन. वेजिटेशन में हमारे पास आ जाता है एकेशिया एंड केशिया. कोर्स प्लांट्स मीन्स वेरी टफ प्लांट्स. अच्छा जी, क्रॉप्स विच आर प्रोड्यूस देयर ड्राई लैंड क्रॉप्स प्रोड्यूस. Okay, Uzbekistan in the Muslim world, Uzbekistan is the largest cotton growing state in the world. Although it is a temperate, ये आता कहाँ पे है? टेम्परेट डेजर्ट में, लेकिन क्या है कि कॉटन ग्रोइंग स्टेट है. ठीक है, मुस्लिम वर्ल्ड की. सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट योर टुडेज लेक्चर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट. थैंक यू सो मच एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.